Well, this is our third and probably final edition of our 2004 Dodge pickup 4x4 10 tube HHO cell, and today we have achieved happiness. We're running on just water and a little potassium hydroxide. See, right now we're making about 60 psi. It seems pretty continuous on there. I'm going to get on it here real quick. See, I lose pressure really quick when I stomp on it. So anyway, I might make a little proportioning valve or something in there to just squeeze a little bit of fuel in when you need it, when you're running out of hydrogen. I am having some problem with some condensation. I think I'm going to have to put a fuel vapor separator or a water separator in line with the line, because I think when the tube sloshes, I get a little bit of water in the injection rail. And I don't have any plasma spark plugs yet, so I can't burn the raw water. We're doing really well on the hydrogen. And now you see keep the car on the pickup on the road. Temperature still is staying well within norms. Going 60 miles an hour at about 1600 RPM. We're back up to 60 already. Now, I have a lot more potential than I do cable. I have 4 number 10s, 10 gauge wires feeding the cell. Burn up a couple of amp gauges. I ordered a real nice 100 amp one with a shunt this time. So hopefully I'll have to replace the shunts. This is the power hog. Looks like this is about all this alternator is going to handle with air conditioning. We're running 28 amps right now. You see, we run out of hydrogen pretty quick there. Yeah, it really isn't too bad. So on this particular one, unless we put an alternator in just to run the HHO cell, I think we've hit a pretty happy margin. Doesn't have all the power in the world that I like, but you definitely tow a trailer or anything. But anyway, what we're going to do now, what we've done is 100% success running a pickup on just water. 4.7 liter V8. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is just running on water. Now tomorrow when I go back to the shop, I'll try to figure out how I can make a little proportioning valve. Maybe when I get under 50 psi or something, it will go ahead and open this little spring-loaded valve and allow a small amount of fuel to flow. Don't know how I'm going to work that out. I'm going to have to go back to the computer, look through some of the flow diagrams. I got some old engineering manuals, but nothing that goes up to 2004 as far as the Chrysler line of products. But anyway, this is a happy day. As you can see, we're motoring down the vehicle. I've been on this sucker now for about 3 months, in between all the other work that we have, and I think we're due for a little air conditioning. What do you think? What the hell? What can it do? Kill us? Anyway, it's going to help out the ppm, which is running just a tad on the hot side. Heat is definitely not your friend. Anyway, this is Fast Freddy running on water, 100% water. And I'll see you in the next edition. We'll have to think about what we're going to do. I think what we're going to do next time is we're going to show you how to omit your propane tank from your house. I've already done this at home. It's a little crude. When I get a little bit caught up on the finances a little bit from this project, I'm going to go hit that one with 2 feet. Just as a closer, we're doing 65 miles an hour. Up about a 4% grade here with the air conditioner on. You can see we're still gaining in pressure. So I think about the only time that we're going to be lacking in amount of HHO production is going to be when we're full throttle. Anyway, I'm very, very happy. This is working very, very well. I think just by adding a little bit of fuel, you might be able to get some.